How you doing today? Today we're gonna go over a couple different things. We're gonna go over what we discovered during the project and the process. We're also gonna go over how I feel about crowdfunding, and we're also gonna go over what problem or background would be why my app needs to be used. So, as you know, I'm Buddy Rich. And the thing that I found about my project while doing the research was people are actually willing to pay a lot more than what we assume. My research showed that I had an equal amount of iOS and Android users, pretty much, 6 and 7. And they were still all willing to share about the same amount, which was really interesting to me. So I know I can get more money. The other thing with the way that my app is going to be, I really don't think that I need a lot of funding. I'm not using a lot of outside stuff. It'd mainly be implementing an XML file and making that editable with the way the app needs to be. I feel that if I was working on a game or something that I had to work with a couple different people and there was going to be a different budget needed, then yeah, I would definitely consider crowdfunding. And I would probably go with Kickstarter. I've seen it be successful for other developers. I have some friends that are actually currently on Kickstarter for a game who go to Full Sail. So, that's probably where I would go just because it's most familiar to me. And I have people that I could refer to use it in the future. And the next thing is my the project idea, like the background problem. And I want you to picture that you're an app developer. You travel to and from work every day, and you don't have a lot of time to sit down and write your plans for an app that you want to come up with. So what you would go ahead and do is you'd open up this app, and it would have an Xcode implemented XML file storyboard that would go ahead and it would allow you to edit it and make all your connections and everything and save those snippets of code within the app, so that way you could go ahead when you got to work or whatever, plug it into your computer and implement it into whatever IDE or builder or compiler that you would be using. So imagine that you're writing, a piece of code and your little notepad, and it goes ahead and gets wet, and now that code's gone and lost. If you would have had it backed up to our server, you could have implemented it right away, and your whole notebook wouldn't be gone. You would have everything saved. But that's it for this week. Hope you enjoy. Thanks. Take care.